Hi everyone, here we are going to see about the Unit 3 continuation. So in this presentation, we are going to see about the similarities. So we have already seen in the earlier presentation that is similarities have four types. One is partial ignorance, uncertainty, continuous monitoring, learning from the past. So in this presentation, we are going to see about the brief explanation about the similarities in a particular details, and that will be teach us to learn more about the engineering as a professional ethics. So similarities, the first one will be the partial ignorance. The project is usually executed in a partial ignorance way. So most of the uncertainties will be exist in the models that will be assumed together in a similarity level. So the behavior of the materials should be purchased in a constant manner, that is a certain manner. So it will be varies with the suppliers, process the lot, time and the process which is used in shaping their materials. For example, we can say that sheets or plate, or rod or wire, forged or cast or welded. So these all things will be comes under the partial ignorance. So there may be variations in the grain structures. It will result into the failure of stresses. So most of them have not possible to collect the data of the various departments, and in some cases the extrapolation and interpolation which will make an assumptions of linear behavior. So that will provided a range of parameters and accelerated testing which should be simulations and virtual testings are restored. Uncertainty here. So here the final outcomes of this projects are mainly about the experiments. So sometimes if you have unintended results, means there will be some side effects occurs. So that will be known as the byproducts, and it provides the operation as very unsafe. So it should be occurred in a particular risk manner. So on undoing that seepages in the storage dam, we have the leakage of nuclear radiation from the atomic power plant. So the presence of pesticides in the food or soft drink bottle will make the new irrigations canal that will spread the waterborne diseases. So most of the unsuspecting hair dryer will cause the lung cancers. So this will be used by the uncertainty. So likewise, most of the persons are using uncertainty products, and that will be makes the asbestos gasket which is used in the product that have been reported by the engineering so as a social manner. Next, third thing will be the continuous monitoring. How we can make a continuous monitoring? So if there is a process that can be monitored in a continuous progress, we have to gain the some of the knowledges that should be needed from the product or process. So then only we can get the knowledge, and we have to after completing that we will be get into the execution of the projects. So in this cases, the experimentation is very important in overall the monitoring process. So progress should be maintained in a particular manner from the implementation to the execution of the projects. So the performance will be monitored during the use of the right or wrong uses. So this product will be at the end of the user, it should provide the beneficiary levels. So due to this, the continuous monitoring will be maintained in a progressing manner from top to bottom of the each of the every individual and societal projects of the engineering as an experimentations. Learning from the past. So the engineers will normally learn their own prior designs from the particular analysis and operations of results. So sometimes the reports can be provided to the engineers and they will frequently provide their information from the past. So the absence of interest and channels of communication, the egoism will be not seeking an information. So guilty upon the failure, fear of legal actions, mere negligence have caused many failure activities. For example, we can say that the Titanic lacked a sufficient number of lifeboats. So it had only 825 boats for the actual passengers of 2227. So the capacity of the ship being having the lifeboats would be 3547. But in that emergency situation, all the existing lifeboats could not be launched. So 40 years back, another steamship Arctic met with the same tragedy due to the expectation of the capacities of the lifeboats. So this will make the failure of the failure of the negligence, and that will provides the absence of learning from the past. So, but the lessons was learned is that in most of the hydraulic systems, the valves have been the critical component. Okay, so it should have a least reliable method. So we have learned more from the past lessons. So this will make us to know more about the valves, and it should be how it should be opened and how it should be closed. So this confusion should be rather cleared about the past thing only. So it was the cause of 3 Mile Island accident, which should be occurred in 1979. So similar malfunctioning of valves has been misreading of gauges that have been reported to the accidents. This will be in power plants. So most of them has learned the lessons from past of their methods. So this components and the complacency will be not having to be lead to many disaster methods. So this disasters methods had been occurs in the whatever else we are learning from our past thing. So this to reduce this all accidents, we have to learn more from our past. This helps our persons or our peoples to learn from their futures of lessons. So this helpful for engineering to be very particular with the experimentation level as well as in the social experimentation level.